everyone. My name is Shaft Pulley with PPI. I'm the manager of the field engineering department. We are here at MINExpo 2024 and are here to showcase several of our new and popular products. Okay, one of the first products we'd like to talk about today is our AR lagging, abrasion resistant lagging. It's our newest launch for 2024. There's a lot of great capabilities to the AR lagging. Obviously, it's abrasion resistant. It's a 60 durometer SBR compound, but with additives to make it more abrasion resistant compared to our standard SBR rubber lagging. Here on the left-hand side, we have our standard 60 durometer SBR rubber, and over here on the right-hand side, we have our 60 durometer abrasion resistant lagging. And both were subjected to a grip blast test, and you can see under the same testing conditions, the standard SBR rubber lagging showed significant abrasion, and with the exact same test, the 60 durometer abrasion resistant lagging didn't show any abrasion. I'd like to get into some of the details about PPI's popular SSP pulley or static shaft pulley. To begin with, most conveyors use more non-drive conveyor pulleys than they do drive pulleys. So with that, PPI has developed an internal bearing pulley or static shaft pulley where we actually take the bearing that is typically outside on the end of the shaft encased in cast iron pillow blocks, and we've developed a way to transplant that bearing into the pulley and to hold it into the pulley. There's a lot of advantages to this. The biggest advantage to moving the bearing inside the pulley is it's much better protected from contamination. So when material comes off of the conveyor belt, typically it would fall onto your pillow block bearing and you get a lot of contamination into the bearing, and it leads to premature bearing failures. With the bearing actually installed inside of the pulley, it's much better protected from the contamination, which extends the life of the bearings dramatically, and in many cases years and not months. Now, in order to use this style pulley, you don't have to make any changes, you don't have to do any fabrication. Essentially what PPI will do is we'll make a mounting block that takes the place of your current pillow block. And so our customers generally share with us the size pillow blocks that they're using, and then we'll make a mounting block that has the same bolt centers and shaft center height from the base of the mounting block up to the center of the shaft, so that you can literally remove your existing live shaft pulley and install a replacement SSP pulley assembly. And when you do that, you'll get longer life out of your bearings. The ease of installation is one of the big compliments of this design. Most of the maintenance personnel that install one of these pulleys for the first time are amazed at how easy it goes. So it's a wonderful product. One last big feature to this pulley is that it can be used for standardization. So if you have several pulleys that are similar in size, let's just say like 24 by 44 pulleys, and some use 3 and 15 bearings, some use 4 and 15, some use 5 and 15. You literally can go with one SSP pulley, go with the biggest bearing, the 5 and 15 bearing, and use 3 sets of mounting blocks to cover a wide range of positions on your job site.